Hi friends, welcome back to the Daily Brief. If you're watching me first time, this is Damaraka and I will cover three major sectors in this news every day. First one is AI and future, and second one is gadgets, and the third one is entertainment. So coming to our first topic, AI, UK and Germany signs a biggest humanoid development agreement. Let's get into the news. The company is called Humanoid. It's a UK-based AI robotics startup founded in 2024 by Artem Sokrov. Imagine a company didn't exist 2 years ago. There is no brand value and there is no robotics manufacturers from decades. In 2026, it signed a binding phased deployment supply agreement with Schaeffler. Schaeffler is one of the Germany's most respected motion capture technologies companies in globally. Here, what's the deal? Humanoid will integrate its wheeled humanoid robots directly into the Schaeffler manufacturing operations. The first system will go live before the end of the year 2026 in their headquarters in Germany. The total scale of this project is a bigger amount. It's a 4-digit number. It was but how Humanoid will support the Schaeffler. It will help integrating robotic systems into the existing production environment. This includes meeting Schaeffler requirement, systems, architecture, and safety, and IT infrastructure, as well as aligning with standardized rollout processes and security by design principles. This agreement structure as robot as services, like this means RAAS. Under this model, Humanoid provides the robotic systems together with the requirement services, end-to-end deployment and operations. It's including the fleet management software, maintenance, 24/7 technical supports and updates and ongoing performance management. Coming to our second topic, the biggest AI and future story is not from the chatbot company. It is from the defense tech startup company. The name is Anduril. Anduril is a US-based company and it's raised a $5 billion in a funding raise. And guess what? Its valuation has doubled to around a $61 billion. Yes, it's $61 billion. This is a massive signal, a serious where AI money is moving. Anduril is not just a software company. It works on drones, defense systems, and surveillance towers, and the battlefield sensors. In a simple way, AI is moving from our screens to the real physical world. But the biggest question is, did AI companies will allow to build the military and the defense system? Let me know in the comment section what you think about this news. And coming to the gadgets ones, today, May 14, 2026, DJI was holding a live launch event in the Cannes Film Festival. It's happening in the France. The Cannes is the most cinematic stage in the world. But why DJI is holding a event over there? DJI is sending the real message that the Osmo Pocket 4P is not anymore a vlogging camera and it's a compact cinema camera. Let's see the specifications. First time in the Pocket series, DJI added second camera. The main shuttle will carry 1-inch sensor, the same sensors that provide professionals broadcast with a variable aperture of f1.7 to f2.8. And the second camera adds a 70mm equivalent 3x optical telephoto lens with a 1 by 1.5 inch sensor. This means now you can take a wide environment shots and a more tighter portraits framing in the same camera. What do you think about this feature? Let me know in this comment section. And the price is estimated is around $700. Coming to our third topic, it's from the OnePlus. OnePlus is looking to break records in the mid-range segment. OnePlus Nord CE 6 is rumored to pack a staggering above 8000 mAh battery combined with a Snapdragon 7 with Gen 4 chipset and a 144Hz AMOLED display, and it will come with the water resistance. It's IP69 rating. What do you think about this phone and what you expect, how much price it will keep? Let me know in the comment section. Coming to the entertainment, there are two series released in the Netflix. The first one is Man on Fire. And the second one is the Unchosen. Coming to the topic, the man on fire taking the number one spot, racking up to the 1.2 crore viewers in the debate week. Coming to the series, it's a high-octane action and emotional drama. Coming to another side, it's a K-drama film. It's The Unchosen has taken the number 6 spot in the globally on Netflix with over 31 lakhs views in this week. Following this success, Netflix has announced deepen tight with the Korean productions houses, increasing their content environment, but Indian remains one of the most largest consumers of this content, driving this massive global rankings. What do you think about this both series? Did anyone watch? Let me know in the comments section. That's all for today. I will meet you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Signing off. Damaraka Poriseti.